Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, creamy eggnog cheesecake. The first step for our eggnog cheesecake is to go over the ingredients that we'll need. First, we're going to need some graham crackers in order to make our graham cracker crust. With that, we'll need some butter, 3 tablespoons, to melt to create the crust. We'll also need a little bit of sugar, both in the crust and then in the main body of the eggnog cheesecake. We'll also need a little bit of flour, 2 eggs, of course cream cheese. We will be using 24 ounces, which is 1.5 pounds of cream cheese, and then last but not least, some eggnog. We'll be using 3/4 cup of eggnog, and you can certainly use pre-made eggnog for this. I don't know anyone who makes their own eggnog. And then if you wanted to add a little extra kick to your eggnog cheesecake, you can also add a little bit of rum. But for our purposes today, these are all the ingredients that we'll need.